welcome to this simulation. Today I did a model of the CEL explosion over the composite slab. The composite slab had two steel layers at the upper and bottom sides, and the aluminium foam, the metal foam, as a core inside it. Let's me to check the composite slab. See, you can see, and let's me to click on the form plot shape and make it stress. See, this is the stress which happened during the explosion. You can see that. See, the important point here is the compaction of the foam. See the compaction. And let's me to click on animate. See, and we can check, for instance, ductile damage. We can see the mesh. Or shear damage. Okay, these are the results which we can use in the CEL method. Let's me to check it, this, and let's me to use this option. This is the TNT growth. See, the TNT growth and its effect on the composite slab. See, you can see that. And let's me to use this option to have a better view of the volume fraction. See, this is the volume fraction of the TNT and also the velocity of the TNT, or stress, pressure stress in the TNT. You can see that. Okay, and if you need anything as a diagram, you can get it from this simulation. And this is the plastic strain. This is important, the plastic strain, because the aluminium foam has a huge plastic deformation. See, let's use this. See the plastic deformation. It is important in the metal foam, and this is a fracture or failure of the steel upper plate. You can see that. So if you need to model the CEL explosion and aluminium foam or metal foam in Abaqus, you can come to our website www.abaqusfm.com, find the English tutorials. For instance, this is the tutorials. Click on the title or blue sign. This is continue, and then you will have this title, short explanation about the geometry, material, steps, interaction, everything, and the results here. And at the end there are three important points. The file contains CEL in English video file step by step, and the cost is $32 US. If you have Bitcoins, you can pay it with that. If you haven't Bitcoins, you can use a PayPal account. This is a better way to use PayPal account. If you have a PayPal account, send me an email to this address, and then I will tell you about the purchasing process. Thank you for attending.